This dance is called Ziggy. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, absolute beginner level line dance with 1 tag. Starting on the right foot with a chassé. So these are quicker count timing steps. So 1 and 2 count timing. So you have to think of that and count as being almost like half a beat, half a count. So you can step the right to the side, left beside right, step right to the side. That's your chassé. Then rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. You're going to repeat that with the left foot leading. So chassé to the left, quicker count, 1 and 2 count timing step, stepping the left to the side, right to the side left, left to the side, then rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then. Chassé off on the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Step forward on the right, touch the left beside the right. So there's no weight on that touch step, it is just resting there. Then step forward on the left and touch the right beside the left. So again, it's just resting there. You're then going to walk yourself around 3/4 of a turn to end up facing the side wall 9 o'clock. So a nice circle over 4 steps, starting with the right, right, left, right, left. 3/4 of a turn. That set of steps once more then. Step, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, step, touch, walk, 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 walk. Now you are doing the equivalent of a 3/4 turn with those 4 walks forward. Now we always say, where possible, do try and put the turns in the dances because they look so much better when they are in there. However, should you find you're having difficulty getting the turn in time to the music, or it's making you feel a bit dizzy or disorientated, there are some alternative steps that you can do. So start the same as everybody else with your step touches. So step forward on the right, touch the left, step forward on the left, touch the right. Now instead of turning right, you need to turn left. 4 steps, making 1/4 of a turn to the left. So you can either just do 4 steps and make a nice little 1/4 turn, or if you want to try it and do it, go around the same sort of loop as everybody else, but start sort of walking backwards to start with before you go forward, so that you're only actually making 1/4 of a turn to the left overall. So non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 of the turn out in that section. Let's add it to the top. Chassé off on the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Step, touch, walk, 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 walk. Step forward on the right. Kick the left forward. It's only a little low kick. Then step back on that left, touch the right beside the left. And repeat. Step forward on the right, little low kick on the left, step back on that left, touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then. Step, kick, back, touch off on the right. 7, 8, step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. Let's add that to the top. Chassé off on the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Step, touch, walk, 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 walk. Step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. You're going to add on a V step. So you literally are drawing the V on the floor. So your right foot is going to go diagonally forward to the right into the corner or 10:30. The left foot goes diagonally forward to the left into the corner 7:30. Your right foot goes back to where it came from, and the left foot steps beside the right. weight is now on that left. You're then going to go into some heel twists. So it's one heel at a time. So you start with the right foot, leave the left where it is, and you're going to literally just move the right heel out to the side and then back to centre. And repeat that with the left. Leave the right where it is, left heel goes out to the side, back to centre. Just show you facing the front. So the right heel goes out and back in, left heel out and back in. The toes do not move. So you'll probably find when you come back out from your B step, don't step the feet directly together. Leave them kind of hip width apart. It'll make it easier to do your heel twists. So that section once more then. V step and those heel twists up on the right. 7, 8. Out, out, in, close, twist, and twist, twist. Let's add that to the top. Chassé off on the right. 7, 8. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Step, touch, walk, 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 walk. Step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. Out, out, in, close, twist, 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 twist. That is your dance. Your only and counts in there are in those chassés in that very first section. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Everything else, single count timing throughout. But it is a 4-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I am going to speed it up a little bit as we go around the walls because the music is just a little bit faster. Chassé off on the right. 7, 8. Right chassé. Back, rock. Left chassé. Back, rock. Step, touch, walk, 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 walk. Step, kick, back, touch. Step, kick, back, touch. Out, out, in, close, twist, 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 twist. Right chassé. Back, rock. Left chassé. Back, rock. Step, touch, walk, 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 walk. Step, kick, back, touch. Step, kick, back, touch. Out, out, in, close, twist, 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 twist. Right chassé, back, rock. Left chassé, back, rock. Step, touch, walk, 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 walk. Step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch. Out, out, in, close, twist, 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 twist. So that's your dance. Hopefully you managed to keep up with that. Now there is one little tag in this dance. So a tag is added in just to get you back in time to the music. So effectively the artist will have put a few extra beats of music somewhere in the dance. The choreographer gives you some additional steps to do to cover those extra steps so that when you start the dance again, you're back in time with what the music is suggesting you do. So this particular tag comes at the end of wall 10. So wall 10 will be your 9 o'clock wall. You will be facing 6 o'clock. The back wall when you come to add on your tag. Your tag, quite simply, is a Monterey quarter turn. So it's 4 steps, all single count timing. So you will have literally just done your heel twists. You go straight into your Monterey, so your weight will be on your left foot. So you're going to point the right out to the side. You'll make quarter turn on that left foot as you bring that right back beside the right. So quarter turn to the right, so you should now be facing the side wall 9 o'clock again. Then you just point the left out to the side, step the left beside the right. That is your Monterey turn. Just do that once more for you. Pointing on that right. So you point the right, quarter turn right, you bring the right back beside the left, point the left to the side, left beside right. That's your tag, end of wall 10. So let's do wall 10. Get to the end, add on the tag, restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Chassé off on the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Step, touch, walk, 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 walk. Step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close, twist, 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 twist. Tag, point, turn, point, close. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Step, touch, starts the dance all over again. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. End of wall 10, Monterey turn. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your tag information. Let's give it a go to better music. Left chassé, back, rock, step, tap, walk, 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 step, kick, back, tap, step, kick, back, tap, out, in, close, twist, 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 right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, step, tap, walk, 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 step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close, twist, 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 right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, step, touch, walk, 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 step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close, twist, 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 right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, step, touch, walk, 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 step, kick, back, touch, step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close, twist, 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 chassé. Step touch, step kick, D-step, chassé, step touch, step kick, V, chassé, step touch, step kick, V, chassé, step touch, step kick, V, tag one.
Take the chance on a love that burns hot enough to last. So when the night falls, my lonely heart calls.
Tag Monterey, point, turn, point, close, chassé.
I wanna feel here with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. It's somebody who loves me. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel here. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Hope you managed that one.